Model, 2013 Ford Transit 2 TDCI-125 PS 350 long wheelbase, high roof rear-wheel drive needs turbo Euro 5. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 149127. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-J. Transmission, 5-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. The engine oil does even late and is perfect, just needs a straightforward turbo replacement job. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,